1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, x is minus 1, this is minus 1 because y equal to x. 1, 1, here the point, 2, 2, here the point, minus 1, like these points. So, the function is increasing. Here the function is increasing. This side also increasing. How can you define it? Definition, you see, 2 is greater than 1. That means, suppose this is x1, this is x2, x2 greater than x1. Implies, if I will put here f of x2 greater than f of x1, how to put? F of x2 means x2 here, 2 is greater than 1. So, this is increasing. Similarly, suppose fx equal to x square if I take, any number you choose. Any number you choose. Suppose 3 is greater than 1. Then f of 3 is 9. F of 1 is 1. So f of 3, 9 is greater than f of 3 greater than f of 1. So like this, any function, if two number you take, if one number is greater than the other, the function also greater, then that is called a increasing function. Strictly increasing function. This is the definition. Suppose I take one example. If I take one example, see, second example, fx equal to 1 by x if I take, then in this case, how to do? Look now, x, y, x is 2, y is 1 by 2, x is 4, y is 1 by 4. So, wait, no sound. Y equal to, suppose fx, 2 is less than 4. Look here, 2 is less than 4. So, y equal to fx. F of 2 is half. We know that half is greater than 1 by 4. So, implies f of 2 greater than f of 4. So, x2, no doubt, here 2 is less than 1. x2 less than x1 implies f of x2 greater than f of x1. That means you see the symbol. Here we call the function is decreasing. So how to check? There are so many type of function. This is one example. So we come into conclusion, we have to follow a method so that easily we can know the function is whether increasing or decreasing. This is an algebraic function. We can come across inverse trigonometry function, then we can come across the trigonometric function. Like this, so many functions are there. How to know whether it is increasing or decreasing? Hence, in this case, we will follow the method of derivative. As we learned, we will follow the derivative. There are two definitions. One is fundamental, the simple method, other is a derivative method. Now let us come to the definition of increasing function and decreasing function. First, let us say increasing function. Increasing function. What is the definition? If y equal to fx, x belongs to R, is a function or curve or a straight line, whatever may be the fact, if that is a function, then so x1 greater than x2 implies f of x1 greater than f of x2 or x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2, then fx is called, definition 1 is called increasing. If equal to you give, if equal to don't give, suppose it is equal to, this is equal to, less than equal to, then we call increasing function. If you don't give equal to, only we will check like this, f of x1 greater than f of x2, only f of x1 less than f of x2, or like this it would say, the function is called strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Don't make noise. So definition 1, definition 1, definition 2. Definition 2 is, here we will follow the derivative methods. The derivative method is find dy by dx is equal to f dash x and put some values for x greater than x1. If f dash x is equal to greater than 0, then fx is C to be strictly increasing. Okay, ये कथा हुआ नहीं उधर जाओ. तो for x greater than equal to x1, f dash x greater than equal to 0, then it is called only increasing. Like this, we can define in a two way, but we have to do some example based on it. Suppose the function is decreasing. In case of decreasing, how to do? Same way. How to do decreasing? I have given some example also. Decreasing. Same way, nothing to change. If y equal to fx, x belongs to a real number or natural number, whatever it may be, is a function. x1 greater than x2 or x1 less than x2, whatever it may be. The symbol less than equal to, same way, or less than, this is only increasing, this is strictly increasing, decreasing, not increasing, decreasing. x1 less than x2. This is symbol is, here you see less than, here it becomes greater than. Now symbol is changing, look, less than, greater than, here greater than, then we say fx is decreasing, the function is decreasing. You may note down this or strictly decreasing. Same way, increasing, decreasing, only the symbol changes. Remember, this is greater than I have taken, this is less than, this is less than, this is greater than. Symbol changes, then the function is called decreasing function. How to do definition 2? Find dy by dx, that is f dash x. Suppose x greater than x1 or x greater than equal to x1, then f dash x less than 0 or less than equal to 0. Here the function is called less than 0 means strictly, here we will say decreasing. Here also we will say only decreasing. I will tell you at the last, in conclusion. I will tell you in the conclusion. After doing some problems, what will be the question in the examination? According to the question, we have to answer it. Like one example, say we can check the increasing decreasing by graphical method also. Now one of the example I will do, how the question will be. Look, everybody. The question is, like this. In the exam, how the question comes, or multiple choice, how it comes. Find the interval. Find the interval in which the function, only function is written means it is not fx, it is f, is given by fx equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 40 is strictly increasing. Ask for strictly increasing. Second ask, strictly decreasing. Ask for this. In this case, how to do the question? Remember, stepwise I write. Say, this is the question, CBSE 2005, CHSE 2009. Same type question it is coming. Look, step 1. Here I am writing the procedure. In this way, you should go on doing. Step 1 is write the function. First write the function is fx equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 40. Step 2. Differentiate. Naturally, first year differentiation only you have to apply, nothing else. No second year, first year derivative. F dash x equal to 6x square minus 42x plus 36. Remember, properly you write the function in a square bracket. Then, if possible, factorize it. Factorizing. समझते ताकू उत्पादक निर्णय करो. F dash x equal to, if common, take x square 7x 6. जो उत्पादक बुझुनी देखो केमती करियो. 7x 6 into x square minus 6 plus 1x plus 6. then 6 into, look here, x square minus 6x minus x plus 6. Now you can factorize it. X is common, x minus 6, here minus 1 is common, x minus 6. जब factorize बुझुन तो आज सीखो. So now मैं क्वेश्चन लिख दिली. देखो 6 into x minus 6 common, x minus 1 into x minus 6 is f dash x. Note, this is important and to equation 1. In rough you check which point it is 0. In rough, f dash x make it 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So either x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. This is called boundary point. Boundary points. Now we have to check it strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. How to do this? You see. Just step 3 is important step to know the function. Make a number line. Like high school you do, make a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, here 2 points has come, 1 and 6. You put some points nearby it, don't go further, nearby it. Suppose 0.5. Check all the point here, this side, all the point this side, and the middle points. Put in this. Here f dash x is equal to 6 into x minus 1 into x minus 6. Note down just below it. Otherwise you will forget. भूली जीवो ताको लिखिबो. लिखिला परे फंक्शन टा केमते होबो देखो. मु मनगर पकेली x less than 1 strictly कहिछि. मते strictly कहले equal to चिन्ह दबा दरकार नै. तो less than 1 you put any point, then f dash x. Here you see this is the number, positive number. You put 0 suppose. I am putting 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus. You just don't subtract it. Negative or positive you check. 0 minus 1. 6. So 6 into negative into negative. Negative, negative, positive. So total is positive. Therefore equal to f dash x. Positive means greater than 0. You keep it like this. Then you check the function. Everything you check. This side you check. X greater than 6. This side is less than. This side is greater than. So less than 6 you put any number in f dash x. F dash x is here. 6 into any number. 7, 8, 6.5. You can put 6.5 also. Minus 1. Don't subtract. Just to see. This is the big number. This is a small number. केजन को इटा बुझु नहीं भला है मन रखो. -6 plus minus बुझु नहीं केजन 6 minus 5. This is positive. This is also positive. Positive into positive. Total is positive. Equal to f dash x equal to greater than 0. Now left between these two numbers, what is the case? X greater than 1 less than 6. Between these any number you put 6 into any number you put 4 minus 1 positive. 4 minus 6 negative. So this is positive into negative. I left here f dash x. So this is now 6 into, this is positive into negative. You can write f dash x is equal to negative. That is less than 0. Conclusion, last step. Interval function strictly increasing. See, greater than 0 here, here to here. Suppose here in minus infinity, plus infinity. So at x less than 1 means this side minus infinity open bracket minus 1 open bracket. I told you in first year equal to symbol thile empty bracket I have open thile empty ase union 6 to x greater than 6 greater than 0 open bracket 6 to infinity. So plus 1, not minus 1, plus 1. Now, strictly decreasing. Decreasing here less than 0. So, function is here. Here, open bracket 1 and open bracket 6. So, this is the interval. He will ask you how to find the interval. All of you do one question by pausing it, find the interval, same question, find the interval in which the function is increasing or decreasing. Suppose the question comes increasing, decreasing, then you can use the bracket in increasing, close bracket. The function is another question you can do, this question you do. Fx equal to x4 minus x2 by 3. Find the interval in which the function is increasing or decreasing. So this is a function, this is a function, minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. So this is simply algebraic function. We will discuss, next we will discuss the trigonometry function. Okay, thank you.